by grief and storm. Above the crypts the ravens stay, they guard the names we cast away.
Hey, hey, hey! The drums of fate begin to rise. A blood-red dawn consumes the skies. One spark remains beneath the stone, a flame to claim an iron throne. Hey, hey, hey! So raise the torch where the shadows reign. We march through fire, through death, through pain. This cursed earth, this crown of scars is forged in darkness, war and stars. A fallen choir, a world undone. Raise the torch for the Iron Throne.
I walk the halls where dead kings sleep, where every oath was sworn too deep. I heard the witch of storms proclaim that only ash remembers names, but still I stride through ruin's breath, defying prophecy and death.
Hey, hey, hey! The drums of fate begin to rise. A blood-red dawn consumes the skies. One spark remains beneath the stone, of flame to claim an iron throne. Hey, hey, hey! So raise the torch where the shadows reign. We march through fire, through death, through pain. This cursed earth, this crown of scars is forged in darkness, war and stars. A fallen choir, a world undone. Raise the torch for the Iron Throne.
Through shattered rooms, through burning clay, through every night that stole the day, we crawl, we roar, we rise as one, for none can kill the final sun. My blood runs cold, my heart is steel, my fate sealed in the clash of shields. Not gold nor gods can turn my stride, for in the dark the doomed abide. And when the stars begin to fade, I'll light the pyre my hands have made.
Hey, hey, hey! So raise the torch where the shadows reign. We march through fire, through death, through pain. This cursed earth, this crown of scars is forged in darkness, war and stars. A fallen choir, a world undone. Raise the torch for the